Prepare for countless adventures outdoors when you're wearing these great hiking shoes from Arc'teryx. This silhouette is made with a perforated suede upper that has synthetic overlays for durability. It's made with Gore-Tex waterproofing to bead the water off the outside with a gusseted tongue to keep out any debris, using a moisture-wicking lining to make sure you always feel dry and secure. It has reinforced rubber on the toe to keep you feeling great and protected, while that unique lace-up goes all the way down to the toe. It's going to help give you that climbing style lace-up so you're always feeling secure and making sure that every step you take is calculated. The inside is padded textile and leather to keep it cool and breathable, and it comes with a removable foam footbed to give you extra comfort underfoot. The midsole is EVA that adds some extra rebound and cushioning, making sure it's all responsive. Underneath is a durable Vibram rubber outsole that has a super grippy feel with flat style lugs that's going to help grip the earth with ease.